Running a business in the UK is no walk in the park. The challenges are numerous and often unpredictable. You've got a lot on your plate, from satisfying customers to managing your team. But one thing you absolutely can't afford to neglect is your budget. Think of it like the roadmap for your business journey. Without it, you're driving blind. A well-planned budget gives you control over your finances, helping you allocate resources efficiently. It helps you identify potential financial challenges before they become major problems. Ultimately, a solid budget is crucial for steering your business towards profitability and long-term success. Before you even think about spreadsheets or crunching numbers, you need to define what you're working towards. This is the foundation of your financial planning. What are your financial goals for your business? Are they short-term or long-term? Do they align with your overall vision for the company? Your financial goals will shape your entire budget. They will guide your decisions and help you prioritize where to allocate your resources. Without clear goals, your budget is just a collection of numbers. It lacks direction and purpose, making it difficult to stay on track. Your big dream might be to open a second location in the next 2 years. This is a significant goal that requires careful planning and budgeting. To achieve this, your budget needs to factor in the costs of renting a new space, purchasing equipment, and hiring staff. By setting this goal, you're giving your budget a purpose and direction. Every financial decision you make should bring you one step closer to opening that second location. Remember, your goals should be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Don't just say, "I want to make more money." This is too vague and doesn't provide a clear path to follow. Instead, aim for something like, "I want to increase my net profit by 15% in the next financial year." Setting clear financial goals is the first step toward achieving financial success for your business. Celebrate your milestones along the way. Recognizing your achievements will keep you motivated and committed to your financial goals. Now that you know where you're headed, it's time to gather the financial data that will form the foundation of your budget. This means collecting all the documents that show how money flows in and out of your business. Start with your business bank statements. These will detail all your income and expenses over a specific period. Next, gather your sales invoices, purchase orders, receipts, and any other relevant financial records. If you're VAT registered, make sure you have your VAT returns handy as well. Don't forget about any loans, credit card statements, or other debts your business might have. You'll need to factor in these repayment obligations when creating your budget. This might seem like a daunting task, especially if you haven't been diligent about record keeping. But trust me, it's a crucial step. Having all your financial information organized and accessible will make the budgeting process much smoother. Section 4. Forecasting income and expenses. With your financial data in hand, it's time to put on your forecasting hat. This means estimating how much income you expect to generate and how much you anticipate spending in the future. Start with your income. Look at your past sales figures, market trends, and any upcoming promotions or marketing campaigns you have planned. Be realistic in your projections. It's always better to underestimate your income and be pleasantly surprised than to overestimate and face a shortfall. Next, turn your attention to expenses. Categorize them into fixed costs like rent, salaries, and insurance, and variable costs like raw materials, utilities, and marketing. Use your historical data as a guide, but also consider any anticipated changes in pricing or demand. Forecasting is not an exact science, and there will always be some degree of uncertainty. However, the more accurate your projections, the more reliable your budget will be. Building your budget. Spreadsheet. Creating a budget spreadsheet is essential for managing your business finances effectively. This tool will be your financial roadmap, guiding you through the fiscal year. Input your income and expenses, and create a visual representation of your finances. Use Google Sheets or Excel, or opt for a dedicated budgeting tool. Organize your spreadsheet with clearly labeled sections for income and expenses. Input your projected income and expenses to track your cash flow. Include a section for net income to assess your financial performance. Regularly review and adjust your budget based on actual performance. Consider budgeting software for advanced features and deeper insights. Create a budget spreadsheet that works for you and your business. Happy budgeting.